So I'm totally intrigued by minimalist living. And I don't actually live like a minimalist, but I really like to download Audible books on minimalist living. They kind of give me that aspirational goal. And my tea drawer looks pretty amazing. It's the envy of everybody who visits. So the principle of minimalism is simple. Keep what's essential and get rid of everything else. Less is more. And we're going to apply this today to your marketing. I want you to take a look at your opt-in form and how many fields beyond the email and the name do you have? I want you to take that number and multiply it by 11. Why? Because the studies show that every field you add to your form is going to reduce your opt-ins by up to 11%. That's a big deal. That's 11% fewer subscribers on your email list and 11% fewer chances to reach your ideal clients in their inboxes. Okay. Once they opt in, they're on your list. They're raising their hand and saying, hey, yeah, we want to hear from you. Teach us, show us what to do, help us. They want your messages. And so if you are adding phone fields or where are you located or what's the struggle that you have or asking additional things, you are dropping your conversion rate each field that you enter by another 11%. So I hope this minimalist marketing tip will help you increase the conversions on your website. I want to see you succeed. I want to see you succeed, and I want you to know that I am here for you. If you have questions, our Facebook group is called Get Leads and Clients. Pop in there and let us know what you'd like to learn about. I can cover it in a future video, and it's a totally free space. We share training and resources and feedback and all kinds of good stuff in there, and I hope you'll join us. I also want to invite you to watch the Get Leads and Clients Masterclass. If you have not watched that yet, I will walk you through the three-phase process that we use when we build marketing systems to help our clients get leads and clients. And when you go through this, you are going to see exactly where in your marketing you need to work on to increase your results. And so the goal with this is to get more income and to increase your independence and to help you make a bigger impact in the lives of the people that you serve. And then finally, if you would like some help, whether it's one-on-one marketing strategy or help building a website and a marketing funnel for your business, click the link below and book an appointment with our team. We would love to talk with you. And thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful and I will see you next week. Happy marketing.